Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how you go about sending funds through Cash App. It's actually really simple. So from this page here, and that's going to be in the bottom tabs area, the little dollar sign, that's the tab that I'm on right now. You're going to enter in how much money you want to send. So let's say you wanted to send a friend 20 bucks. So you'd enter in 20 right here, and then you'd go down and click where it says pay. And then that takes us over to this page where we enter in who we're going to be sending this to, whether it's one of our contacts. You can enter in a cash tag if you happen to know the cash tag of the individual you're sending these funds to, their phone number, their email. You're going to enter that in right here. And then in the for area, you're just going to add a note on what this money might be for. In this for area, this is going to be optional, but let's just say I was paying somebody back because they paid for my dinner. So let's just write in dinner right there. And then all I have to do is go ahead and click pay up here in the upper right-hand corner. And if you don't already have a debit card hooked up to your Cash App or funds in your Cash App account, then this is an area where you can enter in your debit card number and go through that process so that you can have funds to send to the person that you're going to be giving this money to. So I hope this video is helpful walking you through the step-by-step process on how you go about sending funds through the Cash App. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing, and I'll catch you back here next time.